Are you talking to me?
Hello class, how are you today? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so I graded your tests and they were very bad. The class average was an F. Very disappointed. Oh, Kevin, you did your test? What the? I got an F?
Mr. Matthew, how did I get an F?
Okay. You are in F because when I was looking at your test, I saw numbers and letters and all these other things. And I didn't see any X's anywhere. I told you in the beginning of the year, whenever you're taking a test, put an X on the question so I know you did it. Okay, so because you didn't do that, I did not look at the question. Because I did not look at the question, you got an F. Simple as that.
Are you telling me that's the reason I got an F? Then what grades did you get when you were my age?
Okay, so let me tell you. When I was a child, I always got 100. Nothing lower, nothing more. But see, my teacher, she always put an X on my question. So then I thought that I was going to X on my question too. So that's how I did, like my teacher did it. And whenever she graded my test, for some reason, I think she forgot numbers in between. Because when she read the numbers, she only wrote a 0. I mean, seriously? I got 100. I knew that. So I thought she forgot because she's a little busy lady. She got a private thing to do, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I put the button in the 0 in front because I knew she forgot. Simple as that.
Alright, would you mind checking this again?
I don't have time for that kind of stuff. Why don't you show me what I taught you and show me on this board here, okay? And I watch and comment, okay? And then depending on that, I'll regrade you based on that. And that only, not your other test, because you did very well.
Okay, piece of cake. We're gonna do angles first. An angle is made out of two rays. The fixed ray, which is the bottom ray, is the initial side of the angle, and the rotated ray is the terminal side. If the terminal side remains the same, a 0-degree angle is formed. The terminal side is rotated counterclockwise until it meets with the initial side. A 360-degree angle is formed. 0 degrees equals 360 degrees. If the rotation is counterclockwise, the measure of the angle is positive, shown by the positive 50 degrees here. If the rotation is clockwise, the measure is negative, shown by the negative 50 degrees. In this diagram, as you can see, this angle shows two different angles. One is positive, one is negative. They are both the same. This angle shows a positive 210 degrees, while this shows a negative 150 degrees. When two angles share the same terminal and initial side, they're called coterminal.
Okay, so now that you're done with your Shinigan, Shinamanagarava, Burigilbra, thinking and all that other stuff, let me show you how you really do it. You did everything wrong, okay? Okay, as I said, you did everything wrong. Okay. Let me show you how you do it the Indian side, the correct way, okay? So, this right here, what you call some angle, some sort of thing like that. Oh, stupid mark. That the stupid mark is you, okay? You're not smart like that. The marker is smarter than you, okay? See, it knows how to write, okay? See, this is a shamabal, not an angle. What is an angle? I never heard of such a thing, okay? And that cannot be such a number that you gave me. It can be only plus 9,000, okay? Okay? And then, no, that's not it. Look, you got a minus 568 plus 998 and minus 8. Beautiful. That is how you get the decimal number. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Why not? The degree isn't the only unit used for measuring angles. From this diagram, we can see there are two radii and an intercepted arc equal to the radii. In this point, we can use the unit measure called radians. For example, we see a 60 degrees here. We can also call it pi over 3, which is a unit used for radians. These two equations, S symbolizes the length of the intercepted arc, R represents the radius, and this symbol represents the radians of a central angle of a circle. Now to find the length, we multiply radius times the central angle. To find the central angle in radians, we take the length of the intercepted arc divided by the radius. Okay, now I'd like to introduce the unit circle. The sine of this angle is the y-coordinate of z, and the cosine of this angle is the x-coordinate. Plus y squared equals 1, or sine squared plus cosine squared. Now let's do an example. Cosine data, and we're given sine data equals 3/4. We can use the equation sine squared data plus cosine squared data equals 1, and we sub in the 3/4. Then we get 9/16 plus cosine squared data equals 1, and subtract 9/16 from both sides. Then we get cosine squared data equals 7/16, which is also, when we radicalize everything, we get radical 7/4. So cosine data equals square root of 7/4.